Hi there. Welcome back to the Lighthouse Sessions. Today is another solo episode, but this one is fun, I promise. No lecture, no lessons, nothing to learn. What I'm going to share is an exciting announcement. We have created at the Lighthouse Sessions something I'm going to call the Community Gift Basket. There will be a link below where you can go and access this. And basically, the Community Gift Basket is my gift to my listeners and to my guests. So the Community Gift Basket is going to be a place where all of the things that my guests offer, they've all created, or they are creating, or some have created, small, simple things, little downloads, PDFs, ebooks, videos, whatever it is. And basically, on our website, we're going to put all of those things in one place, and we'll help make it sortable. I'll also be adding links to the episodes so that you can go back and forth between the episode and the gift and the gift and the episode. But basically what we're doing is I asked all of my guests, and going forward, I will be asking every guest. I've asked my past guests, and some have responded, some I'm still waiting for. But basically what we're going to do is create little mini tools based on what we talk about in the episode or what my guests do for a living. But we're going to create little mini tools that help you, the listener, get quick wins in your business. Now, for the record, this is a show by visionary entrepreneurs for visionary entrepreneurs. So it might be more strategic tools, more thinking tools, more mindset tools, but every one of the little gifts we're offering is meant to help you get quick wins and immediate results. So welcome back to the community, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts on our community gift basket. Thank you.